Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatic. So let's get started video. The 5 WU JIAO coin is part of China's circulating currency. WU JIAO translates to 5/10 of a yuan, meaning this is a 0.5 yuan coin. Country: People's Republic of China. Denomination: 5 jiao 0.5 yuan or half of 1 yuan. Year of minting: 2014. Currency: renminbi, RMB, Chinese yuan, CNY. Material: nickel-plated steel. Weight: 3.8 grams. Diameter: 20.5 millimeters. Thickness: 1.65 millimeters. Shape: round with a reeded grooved edge. Obverse front features the national emblem of the People's Republic of China, showing the Tiananmen Gate with 5 stars, symbolizing the Communist Party and the unity of China's people. The text reads, People's Republic of China and the year 2014 below the emblem. Reverse back displays the denomination 5 WU JIAO or 5 jiao in large numerals and Chinese characters. Below the denomination, a chrysanthemum flower is featured, a traditional symbol in Chinese art and culture. Mintage: the 2014 5 WU JIAO coin was mass-produced for circulation, meaning it's not particularly rare unless it has certain error varieties or exceptional mint condition. WU JIAO coin 5 of China was first introduced in 1992 as part of China's currency reform and is still in circulation today. 1992, part of the third series of renminbi coins. The coin is still actively produced and used in daily transactions, including the 2014 version you asked about. This coin has undergone several design and material changes over the years, but the 5 jiao denomination has not been discontinued. So, it hasn't ended as of now and remains part of China's currency system. Please subscribe my channel.